You've made the commitment, yet there are still challenges to overcome. Something this great, this important, has to be thought through. It's going to take experience, innovation, and intense collaboration to realize your vision. We know what you've invested to get to this point, and we've built the team and facility to help maximize your success. This is not a handoff. We don't take your idea and run with it. This is a collaboration between your best minds and ours. Together, we'll consider all the possibilities and find the best path forward. As ideas meet invention and we break new ground, our multidisciplined team has the knowledge and technology to identify process improvements so that your vision will transform into a sophisticated, groundbreaking instrument that meets the highest quality standards. KMC has the foresight to head off manufacturing challenges, as well as the industry expertise to see you through the process all the way to market. Our team understands your commitment, your tireless determination. We understand, because we've been on this journey many times before. KMC Systems, innovating one instrument at a time.